Here's everything you need to know about the upcoming airdrop Battle Showdown Gambit. Now, down below there are chapters so you can fast forward to the sections that you want to help you navigate the video easier. This is not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before moving in on the crypto and Web3 space. So real quick, what is Battle Showdown Gambit? Basically, it's a game by Ethlas. So where's the airdrop part? Well, before the game launches their Bits trading platform, they're doing an airdrop campaign ahead of it. Now, you don't need to spend any money to qualify, but like most airdrop campaigns, if you do have a little capital to play with, you will be able to do some transactions and get some higher volumes through and end up in a better position. So head to their website, battleshowdown.com, the link's down below. The airdrop campaign is broken into two sections. You've got the on-chain section and then you've got the social element. So first up, the on-chain stuff. You'll need some ETH on base. 0.01 to 0.02 will be enough for a bunch of these swaps. So click here, it'll take you to Airdrop. You then put in an amount you'd like to swap. Then swapping back will also count as a transaction. So you basically reverse it. Now, every swap will get you points, but when you hit 10, you'll complete that task. If you also get $1,000 worth of volume, you'll also get more points. And then you can also provide liquidity as well, but you'll need a little bit more ETH to do that. Now, next up is the socials. And this is really good for those that don't actually have any liquidity to play around with. So it speaks for itself really. Following, liking, reposting, all of these add up. Now, what would an airdrop campaign be without a referral system? Now, if you click on referral in the middle here, you'll get to this page. Now you can enter in referral codes and you also get your own. So use my code, it's down below, you'll get 1,000 points, but I also get points as well. So it's a win-win. It does help if you have a platform, but if you shill your code on the timeline, it'll help you rack up more points over time. Now there is this section here, Multipliers. This is for their NFT collections, but also partner NFT collections. The cheapest of their collections is the Gen AI weapons. And if you get two of them for around $5, that'll get you a 1.3x multiplier. It's on base. But the best bang for buck is an Ivy Boy for 0.0087 or around $30. It'll cost you around 40 or a bit more if you actually account in gas. Now I picked up one just so I can get more points, so I can get this multiplier 1.5x, but ideally at the end of the campaign, I can also sell the Ivy Boy for cost and it shouldn't actually eat into my margin too much and I'll get that extra 50%, which doesn't hurt. Now, I also added in 2 weapons for the multiplier as well. Now, when you do get one, it won't register straight away. You'll need to wait until the next refresh time. So it's a little bit irritating, but there's nothing you can really do about it. So don't freak out if it doesn't pop up straight away, just give it some time. So up the top, you've got the counter telling you how many points you're making, your rank, and the leaderboard as well. Now, these tasks are daily, so even if you don't have a large amount of points from your first login, they'll eventually accumulate and compound. So the best strategy is basically log in once a day, knock over some tasks, and keep compounding those points. So how much will the airdrop be worth? Well, they're giving away 5% of their total supply in Season 1. Now, on CoinMarketCap, it says that their token supply is 350 million, so that's 17.5 million tokens being airdrops. And at this current market value, that's around $5.7 million. So if you're an airdrop farmer, this might be worth giving a go. Now, a big shout out to Battle Showdown and Ethlas for partnering with me to make this video. They helped me make it possible. So hopefully you found the value in this video. If you did, go down there, show me some love and all of that good stuff. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.